YouTube wants you to get your viewers to watch more of your content. The longer a viewer stays on YouTube, the more ads they'll see and the more money YouTube will make. That means the more they will love you. So today, I'm going to show you a strategic way to use cards to drive your viewers to more of your content. So why do you want YouTube to love you? The longer you keep viewers watching your content, the higher up YouTube will place you in search results and the more you'll feature in the videos in the sidebar. A great way to direct your viewers to more of your content is by using cards to lead them from your highest viewed videos to your lowest. But what is a card? Have you ever been watching a video on YouTube and you notice a little eye in a circle in the top right hand corner? That's a card. By hovering over this, you're going to be served more content. They can be used to link to another video or playlist, promote another channel, start a poll, or send someone to a web page. But today, we're just going to look at linking to another video. So let's set up a card and work out the best time to display that card to your viewer. We start by going to your YouTube studio and clicking on the Videos tab. It's best to start by adding cards to your videos with the highest views. You can quickly order your videos by the amount of views by clicking Views on the top bar. Click on the video you're going to add a card to. Before we add the card, we're going to work out the best time to show the card. You can work out the best time by clicking Analytics on the left hand side. Now you want to look at audience retention on the left hand side. This is an average of how long people watch your video for. Don't worry about the percentage watched. Actually, anything above 60% is actually pretty good. You want to focus on the average time people watched for. So for this video, on average, people started clicking away at 1 minute 25. So at 1 minute 15, when your viewers are thinking, I've seen enough now, I'm going to see what else I want to watch, bam, your video appears on a card in the top right hand corner and actually tells them what to watch next. Now to add the card, click on Details on the left hand side. Then on the right hand side, click Cards, which will open up a new tab. Now pause the video and scroll along to when you want to add your card. As I said, you want to add it about 10 seconds before people start clicking away. Click Add Card and then click Create next to Video or Playlist. Find a video that is relevant to the video the viewer is watching or pick a video that has fewer views. This video is about a certain brand of boiler, so a good video choice would be this video about when to replace your boiler. Don't worry about changing the text boxes. YouTube will automatically use the title from your video, and if you have set this up correctly, it should be enticing enough. You don't need to click Save because it is automatically updated. You can just close this window. There are other times where you can add cards as well. Say you're referencing a previous video in your current one. Why not create a card at the time when you reference it? Or maybe you're speaking about a certain product from another manufacturer. Why don't you link to their channel or video in a card? To wrap up, YouTube rewards channels that keep viewers on its site and watching videos. A good way to drive your viewers from your most popular content to your least is by using a card 10 seconds before people start clicking away. Do you have your own way of using cards? Let me know in the comments below. Give this video a like if you've learned something new, and make sure you subscribe and ring the bell to catch my weekly videos. Whew. Felicity, I think I nailed that. To the full YouTube video by watching more of your content.